like it's colder here than Maryland.
Well, it'll be.
Oh, it's the wind.
Yeah, I think it's just the wind.
Oh my gosh, it's cold. And I did not bring a jacket. Whoa. Oh!
You guys need help?
No, got it.
I didn't grab the trash. I'm taking the Oreo.
Sapa, open the door and lock the car from the door. Oh my gosh.
That was a long drive, almost 4 hours. Made it to our hotel here, Doubletree. Después video Maoli. Our cousin of Maoli.
Just tell them the point. But I gotta take this.
Yeah, nak meron foul. Apa kaya ko pa? Eh, pakaw wala rin. Wala ka pakaw. Yes, sir. Pwede. Eh, like that.
Make it clap like a standing ovation.
funny part, right? I'm putting my ears on just so I can hear you guys right now. You guys can sing like nobody else. Can I go up one notch right now? One notch. Follow me. Let me hear you sing. You are beautiful, yes. Everybody! In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could get my life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time. Yeah, long time. You guys sound fucking beautiful. Don't tell you all the time. You had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know.
Have fun, guys. Wait, California, man? Wait, California?
California? No. May muscle.
May muscle.